नमस्कार दोस्तों। आइए कुछ 10 मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स टू फॉर holistic well-being for a wonderful life. What are these morning rituals that you should do to make your life more blessed one? So first one is wake up early. जल्दी उठें, सुबह सूर्य के साथ उठें. Wake up with the sun so that to make up most of the डेज एनर्जी. पूरे दिन की अच्छी ऊर्जा बनाने के लिए जल्दी उठें ताकि आप पूरे दिन की एक अच्छी एनर्जी को सेट कर पाएँ. देन हाइड्रेट. बहुत ज़रूरी है हाइड्रेटेड रहना. तो आप गर्म पानी में थोड़ा नींबू निचोड़ के पी सकते हैं या पानी पिएं सुबह उठते ही, तो उससे हमारी बॉडी हाइड्रेट होती है एंड वी फील गुड. Then ground yourself. Take some time to ground yourself and to connect with the Mother Earth's energy. So when we are connected with Mother Earth's energy, we are grounded and we feel balanced, patient, calm. And then meditate. Set out 5 minutes, 10 minutes to meditate. Meditate daily to form a or to make a calming tone for the whole day, to make a peaceful time, to make a peaceful note, a voice for the whole day. So meditate for at least, even not more, much, but for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, meditate to make a beautiful day. Then express gratitude. There are 3 levels: grumbling, gratitude, and grace. So whenever you are on a gratitude level, you are very close to the grace level. So gratitude, write down positive things that are happening in your life. You can write them, and that gratitude session for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes will definitely help you to attract more abundance and positivity in your life. Then Reiki healing, it's a beautiful method. Reiki yourself, Reiki your 7 chakras. It will not take more than 10-12 minutes. Do a Reiki healing, 10-12 minutes, all the 7 chakras. Get your chakras supercharged with Reiki and see how your chakras bring positivity, abundance from the universe. Because what does chakra do? They take the energy from the universe and then give you, transmit that energy to you as per your aura, as per your needs and wants. So once you charge your chakras, so they attract positivity for you from the universe. Then affirmations, positive affirmations. खुद से पॉजिटिव टॉक, खुद के लिए पॉजिटिव बोलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आई एम ग्रेटफुल, God is with me. I will do my best. I am doing my best. I am becoming better. I am calm. I am peaceful. Say these beautiful lines as an affirmation to yourself and see how your life starts changing. Do it, see the changes. Mindful movement. So you can practice either yoga or tai chi or any form of physical activity with a mindful attitude. So this will definitely help you in a mind body coordination. So do some mindful activity. Then spiritual reading. Take some time in the morning for 5 minutes, read some spiritual texts, or you can listen to a podcast, or so go for some, because everyday learning is very important to keep yourself updated. And even though it would be a spiritual one, it will definitely enhance your spiritual knowledge, wisdom. So take some time to read some spiritual text for 1 or 2 pages and get some knowledge, ancient knowledge about spirituality. Then set intentions. Visualize or set intention what you want to achieve or what you want in your life. Set that intentions in your life, because when you are focused, you have a perfect intentions for, but clearly you have the intentions, you visualize whatever you want in your life, universe starts favoring you and things start changing for a betterment. So visualize or set intentions, positive intentions, to see your life changing. So these are the 10 morning rituals. If you start using in your life, you will definitely see the changes in your life. Thank you. God bless you. Atma Namaste.